So here we are coming to the, I think this is like the main part of the house. Very overgrown. Can't see anything, it's too bright. Here we go. That's a nice fireplace. Cheshire Paranormal, find us on YouTube. Little plug there for Cheshire Paranormal, whoever they are. Little kitchen. Yeah, it's cool that, isn't it? I don't know why someone's moved the Argo right in front of the bloody door, but they have. This is a top place, this. An old fireplace. God, it looks like someone's even had a fire in there at some point. No, they couldn't have. They're blocked up. The brambles growing through the windows. Pretty cool. Is that where we've just come from, through there? I'm guessing it might be. Yeah. Someone's been there, you see all the candles there. I wonder who might have sat in that chair when this place was lived in. And the old beams in the ceiling there. No idea how old this is, I'll have to look in a bit. Storage. It's like an old living room. Brambles growing through the windows. The floor doesn't feel very safe. What's on the top floor? Really got like half a window in the floor there. Seems a bit strange. Oh god, that's a bit dodgy. Oh, look at that. There's a Ouija board on the stairs. Dodgy. Wasp's nest in the ceiling. Torch on. probably squatting here at some point in the past. What's that? Someone's been playing games here, haven't they? Right, so that's the walk round done. So guys, welcome to Paranormal Apocalypse. We are in a lovely little dairy farm, and look, trying to do my, and the REM pod in the corner keeps going off. I've never seen a REM pod go off so far, but so that's quite exciting.
Can you go over to the other machine with the little green light on? See that? Make the lights
flash.
So
yeah, trying to do my intro and the REM pod's going off, so that's a good start.
It's just another way of letting us know that you're here.
That's B in the background, trying to make a connection with the spirits. Yeah, we're at a little dairy farm. A few people have been here. So we've been been once before, and we didn't really feel much, but so we've seen a few videos online, so we thought we'd come back a second time and check the place out. So here we are, yeah, this is our investigation. I'll show you how we're set up. We've got a REM pod there.
Sensor light in each cupboard. With
EMF there.
Cat balls.
All sorts of stuff there. We've got an audio recorder. We've got a Spiritune there from my mate.
That's you.
Yeah, it is me, yeah. Sorry. From my mate, Happy Droid, Scotland. REM pod up there, which I've just set off, and an EMF. Singing bowl. And let's go out here. Another REM pod there. And then down on the stairs we've got another audio device. So we're pulling all the stops out today, guys, for you. And let's go. Let's just get into it.
Can you do it again? Can you set another piece of machinery off? There's plenty to choose from. There's lights in these cupboards. Can you leave us a message on that little orange light down there on the bed? My name's Dee, can you tell me yours?
My name's Nick. We've come here to hopefully communicate with any spirits that may be here. We'd love to know your story. We'd love to hear any messages that you might have to send to anyone. And we're just here out of interest in the afterlife.
We're here to try and communicate with you.
And the paranormal.
We're not here to trash anything, disrespect anything. Thank you.
Thank you for that.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Could you leave us a message on that little box down there with an orange light? We could answer some questions for me.
Is it me when I move? Does it reach that far?
No.
Let me move now. Yeah, it's not reacting, is it? I'm so buzzing that I've never been on an investigation when a REM pod's gone off. So this is
Could you set
really
the other
exciting.
machine off that's next to it with the green light? It won't harm you, I promise. It's just another way of letting us know that you are here. There's little gadgets in each of these cupboards. They're only lights. They won't harm you. Could you go in there and set them off for us?
If you don't feel quite strong enough, then feel free to draw from our energy to help you manifest the strength that you need to contact us through any of these devices that we've put on the floor.
None of them will harm you.
All you need to do is just to go close to them and reach out and touch them, and they should register some kind of effect. Maybe make a noise, or they'll set off some lights. And like we said, they're not going to harm you.
There's others in other rooms and on the staircase if you choose to use them instead. Did you work in this farm?
Did you hear that noise then?
Yeah, but it could be anything out on the back wall.
No, but it's definitely a ghost.
Okay, because everybody else says it is.
It's 100% a ghost. In fact, it could be a horrific, terrifying demon. Could be.
Can you set it off again so that we know you're still here? It's like it's fleeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can you use that to say yes and not make it flash if it's a no? If we ask you some questions, could you answer that back?
If you're okay with that, trying to do some yes and no questions with us, can you just set that alarm off again for us to confirm?
Thank you.
Nice one. Thank you so much. Wow.
Was this your farm? I appreciate that.
Was this your farm in the last, say, 20 to 30 years or so?
Do you go back further than that?
Longer than 20 or 30 years ago, maybe 50 years ago. 100 years ago.
You're original to the building.
No. Not responding
You're
to
a
those
worker.
questions. Did you live in this farmhouse?
Are you the lady of the farm?
I'm asking the wrong questions here, I think, for some reason. Did you work in this farm?
Are you not from this building? Or the land?
Were you brought to this building recently by somebody else? It's quietened off a bit, hasn't it? Oh. So,
I've noticed it's when we seem to have a build up of traffic as well.
yeah. So you
So is the traffic causing energy because it's only on the side there?
So my last question was, were you brought to this place by somebody else? Okay.
Are you happy to stay here if you are?
Were you invoked or summoned to this place through a Ouija board or some other technique or practice? I don't know what word to use. Are you a human spirit?
Can you set the other device off that's next to you? If you can do that one, you should be able to do the device next to you with the little green light. All you need to do is go close to it.
And remember, you can draw from our energy a little bit to help you find the strength to communicate and to activate these gadgets that we've put around the room. If you could
Maybe go into one of these cupboards where there's 2 gadgets in each.
What, you've put some gadgets in the cupboard?
Yeah, there's sensor lights and
sensor lights. Yeah, if you could move to one of the other objects and make them react to your presence, that would be really, really amazing. That would help us confirm that we're having an intelligent
response.
interaction.
All you need to do is go close to them.
So if we're going to try and debunk it,
It seems to be when there's a build-up of traffic,
Yeah.
ready to shoot off from the lights.
but with it being, it's a motion sensor essentially, isn't it?
Well, it's a EMF field and
Yeah.
it has to be broken.
So what could a vibration cause it to go off?
No.
So with that in mind,
We know there's no electric here, so it's
Yeah.
nothing to do with electric.
with that in mind, what else could it be? Setting it off, because look, I'm walking in front of it, it's not going
Well,
off.
we've done what we did before when it first went off, before we went on camera. I moved back to where I was and
Yeah.
moved forward again. Nothing, you did the same.
Yeah.
So it's not vibration
No.
from us two.
I'm just trying to,
We know
You
there's
know-
no power to the building. Hasn't
No.
been for a long time.
no. But it's really cool that we've had some EMF activity going off. So where's the motor? We've got a cat ball in
The
there.
lights are behind the doorway so we can walk past.
I'll just have a quick look. I'm trying
Yeah,
not to
set
set
them
anything off.
And the cat over in the side.
So we've got a motion sensor there. And spooky little room. I mean, it looks spooky, you probably...
That's you.
Oh, so I'm setting that off. That's me, that.
Back of your coat.
Unfortunately.
But that's what it does.
But these little cubby holes here would have been storage. Sure, some people would like to claim that, people were tortured and kept in there, held prisoner, and all sorts of horrific things happened. But yeah, it's just a storage space. That's all. Someone's been having a bit of the old dragon. Oh no, it's an energy drink. That. Thought it was a can of cider.
Was this once your room? Weird how it's only setting that one thing off. K2's not even moving.
Yeah, well, this is why I'm trying to debunk it, because nothing else is going off. I mean, something's setting it off.
It's only going off on certain questions, isn't it?
Yeah, and we've had an intelligent response from it, but also, it's not responded to some of the questions, so it makes you wonder.
Can you set some?
See, well, no one's moving, aren't they?
No
it's
one
it's
Can you
dead.
set another device off? It doesn't have to be in this room. There's one on the stairs, one in the back bedroom. See, no traffic build-up either.
No, there was no traffic then, for
Not
sure.
traffic.
So if you have any messages that you would like to get out there into the world, or if you've got anything you'd like to say. You know, we need you to try your best to engage with us and try your best to answer the questions so that we can prove that you exist and that you're here.
Maybe could you do a sound in the building? Could you not? Could you copy me?
I don't think it's us, it's too far.
No, that's what I'm saying.
You know, REM pods don't go off this far away.
I'm just thinking, is it vibration in the floor? But it doesn't work off vibration either.
I mean, let me set this one off now.
I'll better swap them, debunk it. It's not a dodgy one.
Yeah, you have to get
Pretty
close.
close to them, yeah.
You have to get quite close to that one there. I tell you what, swap.
That's what I'm saying. Like, should we swap it and see?
Put this one here, and then swap the REM pods, and then, you know, if that REM pod starts going off over here, we'll, you know, with some sort of, you know, level of debunking or. Sorry about all the beeping, guys. It's a bit hectic. There's a spirit tune going off there, but
I'll go off in a second.
yeah, it's
Thank you.
so it's going off there again. I think.
Only that one, it wouldn't do
Well,
it to the other one before.
I think we
so
might have a faulty REM pod.
batteries could be running out.
Is that what? Does it? Why
Could, because it's
Does
not
it-
doing the same sound as that one at the minute.
does it do that though?
No, it hasn't done before, no.
But I'm
They're
saying
all
when.
the same as each other.
So what could be setting that off? One, I kind of feel like we've just debunked it now because it's the REM pod rather than the location, isn't it? What do you
Let
think?
this one go off for me again.
Yeah, no, that's
The one on that side where you were letting it off before.
that's the kicker, isn't it? We need
Yeah.
that one to go off over there. If that one over there goes off, then you know we've got some activity.
It's the fact that it's doing it every now and again and not continuously, and that's what they normally do when
It's very strange.
ready to die. Just doesn't stop.
Yeah. What, when the battery's dying, you mean?
Yeah.
Right.
Can you set it back off, the one that we put on that cabinet? Just that one near the green light.
The thing that's interesting is it is responding to questions as well.
But it's very random.
But yeah, it's a bit weird. And you know, we've got to remember as well, haven't we, that as much as we want the, well, that's not picking you up from there.
No.
But you know, as much as we want it to be genuine
I don't
activity,
believe
we
that's
have
what
to
it is.
we have to
We have to do the debunk.
we have to debunk it, don't we? And I think that at the moment it's not paranormal activity.
I wouldn't say so, no.
Something, you know, I think we've either got a faulty REM pod. Well, I think we might have a faulty REM pod, which is a shame. And we've still got 3 other devices,
There's more in the bag.
but I think I'm going to have to go with, you know, not paranormal.
Leave that there for now. I'm going to review this.
So guys, we've just set up down here, got the spirit box going, we've got gear everywhere, got REM pod there, DV recorder, EMF, REM pod, and a cat ball, by the way, cat ball, motion sensor, we've got a cat ball and an EMF over here. We've got the spirit tune over here. So this place is covered with gear. So let's get into this spirit box. Let's see if there's anything here. Is there really anything in this building?
Is there anybody that would like to communicate with us?
What was that then?
REM pod.
REM pod's going off over there.
And the solid one's in the bag, if it is photo.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Hello? Can you set another machine off for us? There's a few all over if you can try.
So that's interesting.
There's one of them over here.
So this device that's on the ground that's making lots of noise, you can speak to us through that. We might be able to hear your voice.
My name's Dee. Can you tell me yours?
I'm Nick. What?
Can you tell me your name? There's a little ball next to it. Go close to that. Make a light flash. Can you do that for me?
Are you able to tell us your name?
Thank you.
Oh wow, look. So the REM pod's going off again.
Are you ready to pull out of them? Or is that really a piece of equipment?
Turn that down a sec.
Can you come over and do this one on this side here? Can you say my name?
We've got lots of other devices that also make the same noises.
Are you still here? Can you set the top again? What are you doing?
Are you able to talk to us through this device on the floor? Can you try and say your name? It would help us prove that you're here and that you exist.
We have been before. Do you remember us?
I heard a little hello then. Hello? Can you just say hello? Going off again.
Can you come and do this one over here? It's exactly the same. Just go close to it. I'll believe you that you're here if you can do the second one.
There's a couple of voices coming through a little bit, isn't there?
Yeah,
They're not very,
I'll pick it all up.
they're not very coherent now.
That's the problem. That's why I don't like them ones.
We can try the other. Well, the other spirit box is a analog one, so it's just a radio as well. Like, but we can give it a go.
Can you come over and do this one on this right hand side of the name?
So
Back off for you.
if you look here, that's another device that's exactly the same as the one that you've just been touching. We would really love it if you could set that one off as well, because then that will help us prove that you're here and that you're real, and then maybe we can have a conversation and get to know each other. We'd really love to know your name. We've told you our names, Nick and B.
Warlock. Did you hear that? Warlock.
Warlock.
Has somebody brought you to this building? Someone conjured you up?
Yeah, no. So there are some voices trying to come through there, but they're not. A lot of it's radio, yeah, and it's hard to distinguish between genuine voices and you know, radio voices.
Orange and then red. That'll be another way we can communicate.
Another EMF over here. This room is absolutely covered. Got the cross and the incense or the sage and the Santo Paolo. What's it? Santo Paolo, is it? Isn't it? Is that what it's called? What's it called? What's it called? I can't remember. Stop taking a piss out, mate, and tell me what it's called. Paolo Santo. That's not funny. I just got it the wrong way round. What are you laughing for? It's just what I have to deal with. Taking a piss out of me all the time. Making me feel like a victim. Scaring me.
No, you're acting like a victim. Come on, try and set one of the other machines off for us. There's plenty in the room. You can use my energy if you need to.
You can take some of my energy with pleasure if it's going to help you manifest and communicate with us. Come on, spirits. Let's prove that you're real. Give us something solid to take away with us. No, I mean, but that REM pod's definitely going off. Like, I know it went off before upstairs, and we kind of debunked it. This is a different one, and you know, it's making me think that the one upstairs could have been genuine.
I'm drained.
It's hard to know, you know, like everything in the paranormal, it's all very ambiguous. And I think the reality is that, you know, not many people get really solid and, you know, evidence.
And if it could just be residual.
Yeah. No, I don't. What do you think? Residual would set off a REM pod? You do?
Energy, yeah? Can anybody give me the name?
Yeah.
Here.
Here, you say. Turn it up a little bit so the camera can hear it. Come on, spirits. Let's talk to each other.
They go home. What was this place? Can you tell me? Hello.
Oh,
Thank you.
we got a hello, and then the REM pod went off.
To the gentleman that just said hello, can you tell me your name?
What's really going off? Look at it. That is interesting, isn't it?
Can you go to the machines that are next to it and set them off as well? There's a ball next to it and a grey machine with a green light.
Turn that down a wee bit while this is kicking off. Come on, Spirit, please try and set one of the other devices off so we can confirm that something out of the ordinary is happening. You can do it. You've got permission to take energy from us. You've got all these devices to choose from. What is it? Get out. Are we in your home? Yeah.
Is this radio for house?
Radio that.
I'm not trying to talk to the radio for house. Are you still here? Thank you.
This is pretty cool, this.
Is this your home?
Could that female spirit come forward, please? Would you like to talk to us? Oh, what was that then? Did you live?
What was this room?
What did he say? Thought he said something else.
What animals did you have at this place?
Can you tell us what animals have lived on this farm? Through the device on the floor that's making the noise. You hear that then?
Can you repeat that? What animals was on this farm? Are you still here? Can you set that REM pod off again for me, the blue light? Thank you.
Nice one, thanks.
See, it's going in the home, that one's going now.
This one is.
Yeah. Not talk about the sound.
No, I'll pay attention next time though. So we're definitely getting some really good REM pod activity, which I'm more inclined to believe that this is authentic REM pod activity, whereas earlier we feel that we probably debunked it as a faulty device or the battery dying, but this is definitely authentic. Yeah. But we can't get the spirit, if it is a spirit, to set off any of the other devices.
Can you set off another device, please? I know it's hard, but it's a lot of energy.
We've had a couple of words come through on the spirit box, but you know, quite vague and hard to hear and hard to discern what they're saying. We can lift it later and check it out properly, but can you set that device off, please? Did you live in this house? Can you set that device off if you were brought here recently by somebody else? See, that's the same answer as before upstairs. Thank you for that answer.
Do you want to be here? Can you stop that? Do you want to be here?
Just turning that spirit box down. Let's try and have a conversation.
Do you want to leave?
Do you like it here? Are you stuck here? Yeah, interesting.
I don't think you're going to get much more than them, Pod.
Are you a human spirit? Are you a non-human spirit? Are you an astral entity?
Are you an elemental?
Not playing ball, is it?
So that's all we're going to get.
Yeah, interesting. So, nothing on the stairs. But obviously, you know, that little ghost over there chilling by the window. Obviously likes it by the window over there. Maybe,
That's what
you know,
made me think elemental.
you know, maybe someone used to sit by the window just looking out across the grass. Who knows?
Oh, it's actually to the barn out of this window.
Yeah, it just goes up. Oh. I mean, it's definitely
That's what's happening.
it's
Is
definitely
that
not
what you're
me
doing?
because it's too
Is it a memory in time? Watching over your farm?
definitely too far away to set that off.
It's still going.
Yeah, yeah.
Possible, like I said, upstairs in the room.
And you know, it's not cooperating very well. It's like its desire to respond to our questions is very, very sporadic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all over.
Are you willing to try and set off one of these other devices for us before we
This is your last chance.
give up? We appreciate what you've done for us so far. It's amazing. I've never seen a REM pod go off before, so I'm very grateful for that. But just one last chance. Thank you. But you know, one last chance to set off one of these other devices would be absolutely incredible. Could you please do that for us? Maybe this one here, it's not too far away. Come over by me. You can take some energy from me and set this one off.
I'll leave a message on that little silver box with the
Yeah.
orange light for us.
Or speak into the box. Come on, Spirit. Let's play some games. Come on. I know you seem to like that one over there, but come and play with this one. Look.
I'll put that one over there as well. Yeah.
Come on, you do that.
Original button.
It's on the side on that one. So we've got two there right next to each other. You don't have to go that far now.
Can you set that other one up?
You can do it. We believe in you.
going to ask you again. Was this your home? Right,
Yes.
Can you do it with the other one then? Because you're still there.
Is it the blue light that you like? Is that why you'll only play with that one? No. Oh. Maybe.
Maybe. The white one's got a nice noise as well if you go over and do that one.
Go on, do the other one. Could really do with you having a go on the other one. Stop being awkward. You know, we can't stay here all night waiting for you to touch the other one. If you could touch the other one, that would be proof that you exist and that you are an intelligent spirit. And it would be very good proof that we could take to the world and let them know that you are real.
It's not going to.
Come on, mate, help us out a bit. Give us something.
I'm going to leave now. Is that okay with you? You're not allowed to follow us. You stay here.
And do not consent to you following us. You're not allowed to attach yourself to either of us. In the name of the Most High, we command you to stay in this place. So, you know, really interesting, some cracking REM pod activity, but, you know, bastard spirit being awkward as fuck, taking the piss out of us, not refusing to set the other gear off, but, you know, there you go, it is what it is. I think it was genuine activity, down here at least. Not 100% sure about upstairs, but I'm, you know, leaning in the direction of that it could have been real, authentic as well upstairs. Very interesting. I've never seen a REM pod go off, so that's another tick on my paranormal list of experiences. So me and B are gonna go and find another location for you that we got lined up. And we're going to go and see if we can hunt some more ghosts for you. So, that's it. Paranormal Apocalypse. Subscribe, like, share, tell your friends, tell your mum and dad, tell your grandparents, tell your best mate's dog. And get it liked. Nice one, guys. Thanks for watching.